Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Brandon in the Bayou on the revamped Magnum1. This Magnum1 just come back out. This is actually number 29 out of the new batch. They did a lot of improvements to the board, fixed a lot of issues that previously had, and turns out really nicely. Now Brandon was wanting around 20 bird on this one, so we set it up that way, and let's get right to it. Our power all the way down, 5-watt slug, about a half a watt as Brandon requested. Roll it all the way up. Right at 5 watts. Go over and check average power swing. 100-watt slug. Low. It's 22 bird. Peak power. Low. And 43 peak. Alright, it's clean and mean, Brandon. Ready to head to you. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump up.